Welcome. Hello, Caribbean. If it's your first time here, my name is Egas. Welcome to my channel and kindly join the family by subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in. So in today's video, I'll be showing you around my dormitory room. So this will be a dormitory room tour, as you can see from the title of the video. So I'll just be showing you around my dormitory. I hope you like the video. So I just wanted to show you how the state of my dormitory, like on a daily, how it looks like. So come with me. As you can see, the theme color of my room is pink. As you can see, the curtains are pink. Then the bed sheets are pink. The color is pink, and then there's this white thing, but the main color is pink. Then my door over there, wait, let me show you. I have my door here, also pink. The decoration of the wall is also pink, but pink is my worst color. I hate pink, but everywhere is pink in my room. Then we have this thing. When I just want to go out, I'll just put this on, like my mask and my hairbands are here, like my hearts, my cups and everything. So it's also pink. Then I have my family photo here, and I have this flower. It's also pink. Looks nice. Then this painting, I made it. I made it. You know. So I made this. Then we have water, because I love to drink water. This is like 12 liters of water, and I drink it in about 10 days. It's already finished. Like, I'm a water trunk. So then here we have the weight thing. Let me see, how heavy I am. Woo! 54 kilograms. Okay, so here we have this sofa. I really like, even though it's kind of old, but it's really nice, very comfy. You see? I love it. This is why I usually shoot my videos. It used to be there because the former setting of this room was better. I changed the setting of this room just a couple of days ago. It was better than this one, but I have my reasons for it. So then I have this little carpet over here, which is also pink. Then I have my babies a present when I traveled to another city. And so this is the entrance of my room, actually. So this is the main door, and when you get inside, you see this flags over here. Cameroon flag because I'm a Cameroonian, Nigerian flag because I have Nigerian roots, and Kenyan flag because it's a country I would like to go to. Then over here is just the switch to put on the light, to put on and off the light. And then we have this butterflies here, still pink, Okay, let's look at this. I don't know, how do you call it? Is it a cupboard or a counter, whatever? I have this bag. It's not really a bag, it's like you use it to get your hands warm during winter. So it has this water bag, then you heat it with this thing. Okay, let me just show you how it works. You just connect it and you open it and you connect it, and it's red, so it's warming up. After it gets warm, it will be very swollen, and you just take it, you put it inside the bag, you close it, and you put your hands in here. Your hands will be warm during winter. So, and you can also use this during your menses. When you're feeling pain, you can just put it here and the pain will be relieved. So this bag is really cool. I love it. I remember when I got this present, I didn't really like it in the beginning because it was pink and I hate pink, but now I love it so much. Okay, so this part is where I keep all my face products and body products, like for facials, whatever, skincare, perfumes, blah blah blah, and blah blah. I have gel, but I really never use it because I don't know how those people on YouTube they do too. It looks so nice. When I do it, it looks so ugh. That's why you can see I don't slay my edges, because I don't know how to. Thank you. Then, you know, all these things for face and for skin and blah blah blah. Then perfume, I like the smell. Yeah, I love it. And also I also have sunscreen. You guys should stop saying black people don't need sunscreen. You need sunscreen because sun rays are not good for your skin. It will burn you and you'll be having skin problems. So use sunscreen, black people. Okay, Africans, use sunscreen. Yeah. So, and also have this makeup remover. It's really good because using this wet wipes, it really wastes a lot of time. This is like oil. It's like oily. You just put it on your face and all the makeup comes out. This part I have like my toothbrush, as you can see, toothpaste, and my shampoo for my hair. And this one is it's also pink. How do you call it? What do you shower with? Like the soap thing. This one is liquid soap for my body to shower. It smells so good and it's cheap. And yeah, I have everything for my hair. You know, this one to lay my edges, my comb, my brush, another brush. Then yeah, I have some jewelries which I don't even wear, you know, like this. All these things, I don't even wear them. Then I also have this nice jewelry. This is made in Cameroon, okay? Made in Cameroon, period. It's very nice. I have the outfit that goes with it. It's very nice. I'll show you some other time. Yeah, so this literally it. Then yeah, I have my makeup products. I have two foundations which are not even my skin tone. Like, I bought the wrong foundations. This was the first foundation I was using, but it was too bright for my face, so I was going for something dark, and I went for these foundations are too dark. I bought this one first, then when it came, it was too dark. When I tried it on, then I bought this one thinking it would be my exact shade, and it's still dark, a little bit darker. So yeah, I'm not really good with makeup. As you can see, my makeup is just basic, literally foundation and some lip gloss. Then yeah, I just have my makeup products here. As you can see, the brushes and, you know, the lashes over there. And this is, I have dry lips, so I always use this for my lips, you know, very feels dirty. Then yeah, I have nail polish. Yeah, I have these artificial nails. See how dirty they've become because I've not been using them. The glue of these nails, I don't know, I can't use the glue anymore. I have to buy glue to be using them again. All this here are nail polish. I can't even open it. Whoa, this color is nice, you know, like this. Okay, so all these are nail polish. Is it nail polishes or nail whatever? Then yeah, I have my bags. It's already dusty, like dusty. I've not used any bag because we've not gone out over 2 months, more than 2 months. We've not been out of this dormitory, of this school campus, because of coronavirus and blah blah blah. So yeah, I have this bag present. This is a birthday present, and I bought the rest, but I really love this bag. Like, check me out, rich auntie vibes, you know. Feel me? Oh, my servant, can you please get me some water? So these are my bags, and yeah, I just have this thing, you know, it's like a TV. Like, I could put my phone here if I'm watching something. I could just put my phone here and watch whatever the series or the movie I'm watching. Then I can also get paper out of here. It's really cool and it's cheap. Then I have my mirror, also pink. Then yeah, I also have these bags. This pink bag, birthday present. Yep. And that's literally all for this section. Then we'll go to my study section. This is where I study and everything. So as you can see, this is my laptop. My class is actually ongoing, but the teacher doesn't know. Then I have this cup, also a present. I drink hot water, yeah, and coffee, whatever. Then my books. This one is my homework. Then these are my books for this semester. Then yeah, I have my Bible, as you can see, English and Chinese translation. Yeah, praise God. Then yeah, I have other books. These are my textbooks. Then this is a novel I really like in Chinese. It's about crimes, you know, because I'm really a fan of criminal movies, and you know, I really am fascinated about how, you know, police or this, I don't know, CIA, FBI, whatever, the way they would find ways to get clues to get a criminal, and the psychology and everything. Like, it's so fascinating, so I love it. Then yeah, I have this is not mine, this is a Bible in Mongolian. I'm keeping it from someone. She'll get it when she comes back, hopefully. Okay, so these are my prizes, my awards. Okay, Chinese awards and blah 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 blah. This one was for a text Wenjiang. How do you say Wenjiang in English? How do you say Wenjiang in English? Oh my. Okay, it's article, like an article I wrote in Chinese. And yeah, then this is for to put my laptop on it, just to put it. Then this, I have this screen here. I don't really use it. I use it when I have visitors and we want to watch a movie sometimes, but people don't visit me, so it's of use. It will be of use very soon, you know. Then yeah, I just have my glasses, you know. Cheers. Rich auntie vibes. I just have my shea butter for my hair. I have this brown sugar. It's for menses. It works for menses. Like if you're on your period, you just drink this, put it in hot water and drink it. It will help the flow to be better. Then this is just a heater and stuff. So then I have this light here when I'm studying. Let me put it on. So it's like this. Then I can change the color to this and this. When I'm studying, I use it when I'm studying here. It's really cool. And I also have this other light here. I'll not put it on. I have this cool design, yeah, of a house. It looks really cool. Like there's the balcony here, then there's a bedroom, then there's a bathroom, then the living room, and the little kitchen over here. Really cool, right? Come with me. So here is the balcony, because this room normally is for 2 people, but now we don't have many students in our school, so I'm living alone now. I hope I will live alone till I graduate. Yeah, so this is the balcony where you keep clothes and everything. So my clothes are here and there, but I'll not show you all. I'll just show you this part. I don't have many clothes, so these are just the few clothes I have. Yeah, I'm not a fashion person, so my clothes are just basic. And this is my hair towel. This is my hair cup. This is my sponge. And this is my fan when it's hot. And this is where I keep my shoes, you know. My shoes are there. Then I really have these cool shoes. I haven't worn them, but I really love them. Like, woo! Look at it. Just look at it, you know. Feel it? If you want to buy it, just contact me, you know. Really cool shoe. I have to wear it to somewhere nice. Here is where I put my dirty clothes. As you can see, old dirty socks. Then this what I use to wash my clothes. I don't like using the washing machine because it doesn't really wash the clothes properly, so I just prefer using my hands. Yeah, and that's just it. Yeah, I have my light for my videos when I'm doing videos, especially at night. And this is my broom, still pink. This is for exercises. This is a 4 kilogram weight, you know. Yeah, all these are for exercising. And there I have my mat for exercises. It's also pink. Then I have my basketball. Then I have my mop to clean the floor. And yeah, and this thing, also pink, is to take out clothes. This is to remove and take clothes for short people like me, because people who are very tall, they don't need this, but I do need it, you know. So that's everything. Then I have this plant here. I've been growing it for so long, but I'm trying. It's growing, you know. Aloe vera is really resistant. It's a really resistant plant, and I love it, you know. So it's growing. My baby is growing. My voice is horrible, thank you, I know. So as I said, I personalize my room in the way I like it, but normally the rooms don't look like this. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.